Assalamualaikum and a very good day to every one of the panels which are attending this interview today. As you can see, I am applying for a job in your company and the position is as a computer programmer. And now I will show you an overview of what I am going to present. Okay, so first I will talk about myself and then the purpose of why I'm applying for to be a computer programmer and my strengths and weaknesses, and last but not least, I will explain my Holland's personality test. Okay, so about myself, my name is Muhammad Nakib bin Muhammad Zailani, and I was born in the 5th of November 1999. And then my education background is Bachelor in Engineering Chemical from UTM. And then my contact, you can email me for any inquiries, which is through nakidzailani@gmail.com or through my mobile phone number, which is 011 1019 5929. Okay, moving on. These are the achievements that I have obtained so far as my journey as a student. So in 2018, I won bronze medal in Beaver Computational Thinking Competition, which involves a lot of critical thinking. And then before before that, in 2015, I also won gold prize in information science category in Korea Science Academy Science Fair 2015. In this science fair, we were supposed to present our research project, which is at that time my team and I developed an idea of an app called an e-river app, where through the app we can detect the dangerous and the safety of a river with the with just using the app. It's like a waste. It's like waste but for rivers. And then using the idea we won a gold prize. Okay, moving on. So the purpose why I want to apply for a job in your company as a computer programmer is because the skills that you require, which is able to multitask and have very attention to detail and can command good communication, I think that I have all those traits. So without doubt, I want to apply for that job in your company. And then other than that, being a computer programmer is a somewhat challenging career. So it is within my expectations that I want to challenge myself and I want to accept this job because I want to accept this as a challenge that I can achieve. And then last but not least, the purpose why I want to choose Abbott as a computer programmer is because that computer programming has always been my passion. I like to learn about programming languages and I like to investigate how they program machines, how they program softwares and develop applications. Okay, moving on. My strengths. So my strengths are, first, I'm a fast learner. So if I'm focused on something, it's easy for me to adapt and learn that. So in computer programming, there are lots of languages. There's Python, there's C, C++, and then I am I'm confident that I can learn all of these languages at a fast rate. So you don't have to worry about that. Next, my other strength is that I am highly sociable. And what I mean as highly sociable is in a group environment, I am very talkative and very attentive. I can interact with new people with ease, and it is not a problem for me to work in a team. So I think that that is a very good trait that you are searching. Okay, next, my weaknesses are, first, I'm a perfectionist. I am someone who is very attention to detail, which means that even a small error, I will notice it and I will fix it, or otherwise make it better, because I dislike even the smallest detail margin of error. Okay, next, my other weakness is I am too curious, whereas I am very curious when it comes to problems. Usually, I will figure out how something happens or why that thing happened. Why do this phenomenon occur? So I think that those two are the weaknesses that I will improve in the future. And last but not least is my Holland's personality test. So first, for my Holland's personality test, I obtained investigative. So investigative means that I am someone who likes to do hands-on research, and I like to study a problem using mathematical equations, which is true for me because I am a very curious person. I would like to know what and the reason behind something that happened. Next, in the Holland's personality test, it shows that I am a social person. Yes, I do acknowledge it. I'm very social. I like to talk to my friends, my family, even strangers. I sometimes can start a conversation with them. And last but not least is enterprising, where I am a very, we call it a cheapskate sometimes, where I do not like to spend my money on things that I don't think will bring me fortune, something like that. So as you can see that all of these traits is shows that I am a very good to apply for this job as a computer programmer in your company, because I believe that if I am in your company, I will bring more good than harm, and I will make sure that your company will achieve a greater profit than before. So I think that is all from me. Thank you, and I hope that you can hire me in the future.